So let's see here. I really bought it. It's what old people do. Old. Okay. So, here comes my hypothesis. What are some clues that help you know the meaning of a variable in an algebraic sentence? Um, so let's look up here. This is kind of a wide open question, but for example, we see that 58 equals 2p plus 18, and we get that from John made $58 working 2 hours, including earning $18 from tips. We know that he's starting out with that $18, so we know that that's sort of the y-intercept. We also know that the how much he gets paid, because it's 2p, the hours that the amount of money he gets paid per hour is going to be the p. So clues, it's like it's like you can tell that there's a total. The total will always be the y. You can tell that there's a y-intercept because that's something that's being added on, and then you can tell that there's something that's a rate, and that's always going to be about the slope, the m. So pretty tricky, but we can say for sure that the total is usually the y. The start value, which is always a constant, it's never a variable, is the b, and then anything that is like a rate, like how much somebody makes or how fast something goes, that's going to be the m. But it takes practice to recognize them. But those are some clues. Okay. Do you think a variable p can be literally anything, or there's some things that cannot be represented by a variable? That's a really that's kind of a wide open question. Can a variable be literally anything? I would say that a variable can be anything that can have a numerical value. So anything that that you can describe with numbers, you can also describe with a variable. So that's the limitations to what a variable can actually represent. And there it goes for your hypothesis today.